Apply this mixture helps remove wrinkles and blemishes on your skin quickly. Wrinkles and blemishes make your face look older and ugly. Instead of using some commercial products that are chemically filled and expensive to remove wrinkles and blemishes on the skin, many times they also don't offer desired results, even cause side effects for the skin. Use this natural remedy. This is a simple remedy created only by 3 natural ingredients that will help you solve all the issues easily. These ingredients will not only remove wrinkles and blemishes on your face, but it also acts as a natural skin health booster, which helps to maintain healthy and beautiful skin. It also helps prevent and remove pimples. Here's how to make this mixture. Firstly, you will need raw honey. This sweet ingredient is composed of natural alpha-hydroxy acids that increase elasticity, stimulate collagen production to remove wrinkles. These acids also gently exfoliate dead cells, which help reduce the appearance of blemishes and leave your skin smooth and even in tone. Moreover, raw honey contains a mild antiseptic that kills infection-causing bacteria to prevent acne and pimples. For this recipe, you will need 2 teaspoons of honey. Add them into a clean bowl. Next, you will need the oatmeal. Oatmeal is amazing for treating pimples because it absorbs excess sebum from the skin surface, which is a major contributing factor to pimples. What's more, it can retain the natural moisture that's on the skin, and by doing so, it prevents the skin from looking flaky, crusty, or dry. Now, add 1 tablespoon of oatmeal into the bowl that contains honey. The last ingredient is lime. You can also use lemon if you don't have lime. This citrus fruit contains vitamin C that helps in boosting collagen production and improving the elasticity of the skin. Vitamin C also helps prevent free radicals that can damage collagen, leaving you with smoother skin. Moreover, with a high pH level, lime and lemon can help decrease inflammation and oil that contribute to the formation of pimples. The citric acid in their juice can gradually fade blemishes and even out your skin tone. Now, cut your lime and squeeze 1 teaspoon of lime juice to the bowl. You can also instead this ingredient by 1 teaspoon rose water. Now, use a spoon to mix all ingredients thoroughly. Mix them until you get a homogeneous mixture. Here's how to use this mixture to remove wrinkles, pimples, and blemishes on your skin. Rinse your face with warm water. Then use your fingers and apply this mixture on your face. Remember washing your hands before applying. Make sure to avoid your eyes, as limes can sting. Then leave the mixture on your face for 20 minutes. After this time, remove the mixture and rinse your face. Do this every night before going to sleep, or at least 3 times a week to have a healthy, smooth, and beautiful skin. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.